ರಾಜ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ
Yeah,
ಚಾನೆಲ್
music
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
channel. It still exists.
Oh,
Yeah, it still
great. I
exists.
don't watch it, but you know, I used to be a producer there.
Wow, really?
Yeah, for 1 month. I hosted a show as well, live show. You know that show where they say TV
Yeah,
volume,
yeah, yeah.
TV volume ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ, TV volume ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, TV volume ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ. I've done that show, bro.
Really?
Of course, I've done that show.
And full hardcore Kannada.
Absolutely. I mean, you talk to me, I can hold a conversation for sure.
For sure, yeah, I know.
I can. The thing is, I did that whole show, so I used to produce that show. So, you know, like for example, first I started out as producer. Imagine 1 month I went from producer to anchor. Because anchor one day called, not anchor, anchor's father called and said, sorry, ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So, these television channels have a, bro, like there is the world on one side. And these television channels are vibing at a different frequency altogether. Okay, like if you work in them is when you understand what happens. So her father said, "Illa, ivattu nan magalu bartilla. Whatever reason, ivattu baralla." At what time? 3:30 ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂತು, 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಶೋ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಂಕರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹುಡುಕೋದು? ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಲೈಕ್ 1.5 ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಕರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ, ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸೊ ದ ಚಾನಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ whatever looked at me and said,
Put this guy on.
Yeah, put this guy on. So I went, I did the show. That's when I met Yogi.
Who, the loose mother?
Yes, Loose Mother. That's why till date, if you see my videos, you've seen how many times I use the song Jinke Marina. Have you seen?
Oh yeah.
Because bro, that I met that guy then when Jinke Marina was coming out, and I was hosting the show. So earlier, what I would do as producer was when the anchor was there, she'd be like, you know, whatever. ಓಕೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿ and all that stuff. So an auto driver will call and she had no idea what to talk to this gentleman about. So I would be on the other side saying, you know, ಕೇಳಿಯವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಟಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಕೇಳಿಯವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಅವರು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. Then she'll be like, so ಅಣ್ಣ ಇವತ್ತು ಲಂಚಿಗೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ಲು? Then that guy will be like, whatever, ಏನಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ, whatever, right, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, whatever. Then on this side I'll be like, ಇವತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೋನಿ ಯಾರಿಂದ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಕೇಳಿ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು ಕಸ್ಟಮರು, all of that stuff. So I used to do that. Then from there I hosted the show. I've done that also. So sometimes when I look at what and all I've done, I'm only like, yo, what and all I've done. That's why I'm never worried, because I know that ಇದು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ for sure. You know, so that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ.